Oh, hi there. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you a simple way to create a modular sci-fi corridor, using the array, solidify and mirror modifier. So, let's begin. First, let's have a look at this thing over here. This incomplete corridor wall will serve as the basic shape for the corridor. You can easily create a similar piece, using one of the faces of the original cube. I will quickly make another one, just to show you how it's done. Okay, but the focus of this tutorial is not on the modeling itself. Instead, let me show you something cool. As you can see, the model is too thin to serve as a corridor wall. We can easily fix this using the Solidify modifier, which can be found in the Object Modifiers tab. This modifier allows you to adjust the thickness of a 3D model without having to extrude anything. This thickness looks good enough to me, if you know what I mean. Now, we have yet another problem. I mean, we can't make no corridor without an opposing wall, right? This is where the mirror modifier comes in. Good, but we still have to connect the pieces. Check the clipping checkbox in the mirror modifier options. When you connect the pieces, they will attach to one another permanently. We're almost there. This corridor piece is the same length as the original cube. This corridor piece is a module, and we want to increase its length without actually modifying its geometry. Let's use the array modifier to increase the length of this corridor. As you can see, the array creates copies of the 3D model. Now, it's only a matter of finding the right direction for the array, and then setting the distance between arrayed items. Depending on the size of your original corridor piece, you will have to adjust the distance value. All that's missing now is increasing the count value for the array. For every added count, a new copy of the model will be extended from the array. Looks like a corridor, right? With some texturing and atmospheric lighting, this corridor can look pretty sci-fi. But we are not done yet. Notice that the only real editable geometry in this model is that original wall piece. I want to make the entire model editable. So, how do we go about doing this? It's quite simple. We have to apply the modifiers. This cannot be done on edit mode. As you can see, after applying the Solidify modifier, the original wall piece has become fully editable. After applying the mirror modifier and array modifier, the result will be a fully editable 3D model of the corridor. That was it for today's tutorial. If you have questions, you're welcome to ask them.